Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have the all-new 2019 Toyota Corolla Hatchback. It is in the one of two trim levels. It's going to be an SE. There is also an XSE available. It's in the smoked paprika metallic exterior with the moonstone cloth. And coming to our window sticker, as you can see, the Corolla Hatchback SE, it is the 5-door of course. You do have an all-new 2-liter Dynamic Force i4. We'll take a look at that in a second. We also do have our Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 that does feature your lane tracing assist as well as your full-speed dynamic radar cruise, as well as road sign assist. Now coming over here to our options, paint protection film, as well as carpet mats and phone charger for a total of $22,971. Gas mileage 32 city, 42 out on the highway. Checking out our wheels, you do have standard alloys on the Corolla Hatch. These are going to be on Dunlop tires, and these are your 16-inch alloys, rear disc brakes. As you can see, your dual outlet exhaust down below, rear backup camera, rear wiper. We also do have our smart key access, so just keep the key fob on you, hand behind the door handle to unlock. And then coming in, this one does have 3 miles on it. So just put your foot on the brake, press your button to start. So let's check out underneath the hood. And taking a look at our engine, this is going to be all new for the Corolla. It's going to be a 2-liter Dynamic Force i4 with D4S direct import fuel injection. It's going to produce 168 horsepower, 151 foot-pounds of torque, all going to the front wheels through a CVT, continuously variable transmission. A manual is still available. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. And now coming back in, do you have that moonstone cloth interior. It's going to be a 6-way manual driver seat. Coming to your door panel, nice padded upper doors, padded and stitched down on your armrest, all automatic windows, power locks and power mirrors. Door storage down below with a bottle holder. Then over here we also do have our panel dim and automatic high beams. And coming to your steering wheel, it is going to be a 3-spoke leather wrapped wheel, side bolster and grip extensions, 4-way D-pad as well as Bluetooth phone over on the left for your center screen right there. Down below that we do have our audio controls as well as Bluetooth. Right over here, mode as well as seek, more audio controls, and then right here we do have our cruise control, dynamic radar cruise, lane keep assist. Paddle shifters mounted on the back of the wheel. We also do have our automatic headlights, tap to 3 blinks blinkers, push for your auto high beams. Then over on the right, just your variable intermittent speed wipers and rear wiper controls. Dash is all nice and stitched and padded. Then checking out our audio system, as far as sources go, we have our AM, FM, as well as USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, Pandora, iHeartRadio. You also do have Slacker, NPR, and auxiliary inputs. Apple CarPlay integration, as well as you can see, your MPG data. Going to your apps right over here. You have your Scout integrated nav, as well as fuel, Yelp, Slacker, all the audio sources that we previously mentioned, as well as your sports, traffic, weather, stocks, such stuff like that. Below that, single zone automatic climate control with your temperature right here, fan speed, and then your zones right here. Below that, a little bit of storage. You also do have your USB and auxiliary audio inputs right over here. And this is going to be your CVT, continuously variable transmission. Reverse does give you your rear backup camera right up here. Sport mode as well as your traction control right there. Parking brake and your auto hold feature. Cup holders. Nice padded armrest that does slide and adjust. And then down in there we do have a 12-volt and a charging USB. Glove box. Damped with all your owner's manuals and phone chargers we did see on the window sticker. You do have your manually dimming rearview mirror up top. Mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor with a nice little extension. Map lights as well as your SOS Safety Connect right up there. So a pretty nice interior on the Corolla Hatch. Give you a nice view of the gauges right there since they are all new. So let's check out the rear seat. Coming back here, as you can see, that cloth does carry through. As well as your door panel materials with your padded and stitched armrest. You also do have some door storage and your power window. Front seat set about where I'd have it for around 5'9" driving frame. We do have adequate room. You do have dual seat mount pockets right here with some storage. Adequate footroom down below as well. I would definitely go for the sedan if backseat room is going to be your priority. Right here we do have our armrest padded with cup holders as well as adjustable headrest. Then up top we do have our damped cornering handles with coat hooks and some illumination. Nice view of the dash right there. And so we'll go ahead and check out the cargo area, and then we can wrap up our video. Now coming around back, opening up your hatch is super easy. Just press the membrane underneath your Toyota logo. As you can see, your backup camera right there. You do have your membrane for your release as well as smart key right there. Coming back here, reach seats to fold down 60/40 to expand cargo room. You do have your nice tonneau cover right here. Underneath your cargo floor, you do have your temporary spare tire and jack. And in the event you have to change a spare, you can easily just hook that right there so it's not in your way when you're getting the spare tire out. Storage on either side, as well as D-rings in all four corners to tie down larger items. And so that's about it for the all-new 2019 Toyota Corolla Hatch. Now if you guys have any questions or are interested in this vehicle or any other model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.